Welcome to this tutorial on AWS Rekognition. Rekognition is Amazon's powerful computer vision service that enables you to analyze images and videos without requiring any machine learning expertise. Throughout this video, we'll explore how this service can help you add intelligent visual analysis capabilities to your applications. AWS Rekognition is a fully managed computer vision service. It uses pre-trained deep learning models to analyze visual content, which means you don't need to build or train your own machine learning models. The service operates through simple API calls, allowing you to analyze images and videos at scale. One of its biggest advantages is the pay-per-use pricing model, meaning you only pay for the images and videos you actually analyze, with no upfront costs or infrastructure to manage. Let's explore the image analysis capabilities. Rekognition can identify thousands of objects and scenes in your images, from everyday items to complex environments. It offers facial analysis that detects faces and provides attributes like estimated age range and emotions. The face comparison feature allows you to match faces across different images with similarity scores. Additionally, it includes text detection, also known as OCR, which extracts text from images and documents in multiple languages. Rekognition provides even more powerful features. Content moderation helps you detect inappropriate, unsafe, or explicit content in images. Celebrity recognition can identify well-known people automatically. The image properties analysis evaluates technical aspects like quality, brightness, and sharpness. Perhaps most exciting is the custom labels feature, which allows you to train custom models to detect specific objects unique to your business use case. For video content, Rekognition offers specialized capabilities. Object tracking follows objects and people as they move across video frames. Face detection in video identifies and tracks faces throughout the entire video duration. Activity recognition identifies specific activities and actions occurring in the video. Video content moderation helps you flag inappropriate content in both stored and streaming videos. Here's how simple it is to use Rekognition with Python. First, you import the Boto3 library and create a Rekognition client. Then, you call the detect labels method, providing the location of your image in S3 storage. You can specify parameters like the maximum number of labels to return. The API returns structured data containing all detected objects and scenes with confidence scores. Video analysis works slightly differently because videos take longer to process. You use the start label detection method to begin analyzing a video stored in S3. This initiates an asynchronous job, meaning it runs in the background. The service returns a job ID that you can use to check the status and retrieve results once processing is complete. This asynchronous approach allows you to analyze large videos without blocking your application. Rekognition is widely used across various industries. In media and entertainment, it automates video content cataloging, making large media libraries searchable by visual content. For security and surveillance applications, it provides real-time face detection and person tracking capabilities. Content moderation is another major use case, helping platforms filter inappropriate user-generated content automatically before it's published. Let's discuss why Rekognition stands out. It's fast and scalable, capable of processing millions of images and videos quickly without infrastructure concerns. The service offers high accuracy through continuously improving deep learning models trained on vast datasets. Integration is easy with simple API calls and SDK support for all major programming languages. Finally, it's cost-effective with pay-as-you-go pricing, meaning no upfront investment is required to get started. Ready to try Rekognition yourself? The service offers a generous free tier that lasts for 12 months. You can analyze 5,000 images per month and process 1,000 minutes of video for free during your first year. This gives you plenty of opportunity to experiment and build proof-of-concept applications before committing to production usage. Start exploring AWS Rekognition today and add powerful computer vision capabilities to your applications.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.